Welcome back. You're watching Young Turks, The Dream Decade. It's time now for us to put the spotlight on a very interesting student initiative started by HCL. It's called MAD Limited and it's all about finding tomorrow's leaders today. HCL went about scouting 50,000 students to bring it down to a list of 15 who will present their ideas for change and then be made the CEO of MAD Limited. Here's what went on.
These are 15 mad, enthusiastic aspirants. Surprised? Well, don't be. They are aspiring to be the next CEO of MAD Limited.
What I hope you have learned about MAD, and that's the reason it is called, is madness is about an obsession. Madness is good. Madness is about commitment to this journey where others don't matter.
An HCL Technologies initiative to promote leadership and encourage next generation leaders, MAD operates as a digital startup that will mentor contestants to help them create the change they want to see.
HCL has always believed in identifying young leaders and we believe that we need to develop platforms to engage the young communities better. After all, we know that more than half the population in India today are people below age 25. So unless we reach out to them meaningfully and involve them in understanding their aspirations, we will not be complete in a way that we run our organization. So that's the philosophy which is being deeply founded on our employee first and customer second ideology too.
Scouting for budding change agents, HCL reached out to over 50,000 students in 60 colleges across 6 metros to shortlist the final 15 mad ideas out of a pool of 520.
I have a project wherein I am planning to market the ideas of women by training them in their different skills.
It's a venture known as Project Agya. That's India's #1 defense careers and awareness website right now. I'm motivating the youth of our country to join the defense forces.
So I was always doing CAP, that was connecting orphanage and underprivileged kids to adults who have time and will and resources, and they together grow the plants. So I was connecting, but I didn't know how to take it further. As soon as I got on MAD Limited, they told me what to do, and it was, my idea evolved.
My idea is www.salesunzip.com. It is a website which gives you the details of the best buy.
The chosen 15 mad sparks will now get 90 seconds to impress the jury. At stake is the title of MAD Limited CEO and even a chance to bag a 6-month paid internship at HCL. And it gets better. The winner not only gets a chance to put his idea into action, but also lead the team of the chosen 15. But what exactly is the jury looking for?
First one is practicality, so have they actually thought through how they're going to execute it. Second is scalability, so how big is the idea, can it be replicated. Third is the actual impact of the idea.
We are looking at, of course, the innovativeness of the idea. We are looking at communication ability within, because we're only giving them 90 seconds to present to us, ability to answer questions, just the overall vibe we are getting about the whole package, not just the idea but their ability to execute.
I was also, of course, looking for originality, how creative it was in terms of problem solving.
With ideas ranging from social impact to tech innovations and even e-commerce, the jury had a tough time choosing the winner.
I was persuasive about it. At times it felt like I'm not there. I'm not doing much. But like I said, LR approach, lage raho, keep doing it.
Congratulations to Shamali Rathore. Shamali, get on to our Young Turks Facebook page and share your mad story with us. With that, it's time for us to wrap up this edition of Young Turks. Remember, send us your profiles, your suggestions, your feedback to youngturks@network18online.com. Visit our online partner, yourstory.in, for more information about the show, and do visit our Facebook page. If you're a fan of the show or if you are part of the Young Turks community, join our Facebook page, wear the Young Turks Dream Decade badge to support 10 years of entrepreneurship. We'll see you next week. Till then, from all of us here, goodbye and thanks for watching.